Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to play PlayStation 5 without controller. Let's go. You can use the keyboard and mouse, or you can use phone and remote play. For this to work, you must have remote play enabled, and your phone and your console must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Remote Play app. Choose your console. Now your phone is a PlayStation 5 controller. That's it. Now you know how to play PlayStation 5 without controller. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.